Now we are going to discuss elementary geometry or basic terms of geometry and their definitions. Before going to discuss the basic terms of geometry, first we discuss what is geometry. Geometry, it combines two semi-words, geo and other is metry. Geo indicates size, shape, length, width, etc. of any object or thing, or in big sense it is the earth or the big globe. Metry indicates measure. That means definition of geometry, the branch of science where we measure size, shape, length, width, etc. of any object. It is a branch of science where we measure of anything. Next we discuss different terminologies, different elementary terms and their definition. First we discuss point. Point, it has no length, width and height, but only has position. It has no length, width and height, but only has position. Second definition, it is basic unit of a figure. If we like to draw any straight line, that is the straight line is a collection of points. If we like to draw any curve, it is also collection of points. If we like to draw a triangle, it is also collection of points. If we consider the figure other than the geometrical figure like a human face, it is also collection of figures. That means any object or body makes with several points, so it is the basic unit of a figure. Okay. Next I discuss line. Line, the path or locus of a moving point is known as line. Example, this is a line, this is a line, this is a line, everything is a line. Okay. Lines are categorized into two, one is straight line and another is curve. Lines are categorized into two, one is straight line and another is curve. Now we are going to discuss what is straight line. Straight line, if a moving point doesn't change its direction during walk, then the path of this moving point is known as straight line. That means suppose this moving point traveling from this location to this location without changes its direction, then the path of this moving point is known as straight line. This is straight line. Okay. If it changes its path frequently, then it is known as curve. Next we about to discuss curve. That means the opposite of straight line is curve. When it moves from one position to another position, it frequently changes its direction. Okay. Now we define curve. Curve, if any moving point changes its direction during walk, then the path of this moving point is known as curve. Example, this is curve, this is curve, this is curve, all these are curves. Okay. The basic difference between curve and straight line is that it doesn't changes its direction during walk, it changes its direction during walk. Straight line does not changes its direction when it moves from or shift from one location to another location, but curve changes its direction frequently when it moves from one location to another location. This is the basic difference. That's why it is straight line, that's why all these are curve. Okay. Next I discuss angle. Angle, when two straight lines coincide or intersect, angles beget. Suppose this is a straight line AB, another straight line is BC. Two straight lines are coincide here, angle begets here. This is an angle. This is a straight line, this is another straight line. They intersect each other. Here four angles are generated. This is an angle, this is an angle, this is an angle, and this is an angle. Okay. Next we discuss polygon. Polygon, it is a plane region made by more than two straight lines, and each line is known as edge. Example, this is a polygon, this is a polygon, this is a polygon, and each line, this is called edge, this is called edge, this is an edge, these are edge, this is, and this is, these are edge. Now polygons are classified based on three parameters. One is number of edge, another is length of edge, and the third one is interior angle. Polygons are classified or categorized based on three parameters, namely number of edges or sides, length of side, interior angles. Now we discuss one after one. Types of polygons based on number of sides. Classification depends upon number of sides. Number of sides and shape here and their corresponding name. Polygon having three sides known as triangle. Polygon having four sides known as quadrilateral or quadgon or four-gon. Having five sides known as pentagon. Having six sides known as hexagon. Similarly, having 7, 8, 9 and 10 sides known as heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon respectively. A polygon may have more than 10 sides, maybe 11, maybe 12, maybe 1000, maybe 10,000, etc. Unlimited number of sides may be occurred there. And the shapes depends upon you and me, that is our own wish. We can draw any kind of figure having four sides known as quadrilateral, having six sides known as hexagon, having 9 sides known as nonagon, and similarly 10 sides for decagon. Okay, this is the classification of polygon, depends upon or based upon number of sides. Next we discuss types of polygon based on length of side. Types of polygon based on side length. Depending upon their side length, polygons are classified into two categories. One is regular polygon or equilateral polygon, and another is irregular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon having all sides are of equal length. That is a polygon where sides are all are equal. This is an equilateral triangle where these three sides are equal. This is a square with four of sides are of equal length. This is pentagon where all sides are equal. So these all figures are known as regular polygon. On the other hand, irregular polygon, a polygon with different or unequal length of sides. This is an triangle where the sides are unequal. These sides are unequal. This is quadrilateral with four sides. Sides are unequal, and this is also an polygon where sides are not equal to each other. They are of different length of sides. Okay, so These figures are known as irregular polygon. Next we discuss the kinds of polygon based on their interior angles. Types of polygon based on interior angle. Depending upon interior angle, polygon is classified into two. One is convex polygon and another is concave polygon. Now we are about to discuss convex polygon, a polygon whose all interior angles are less than or equal to 180 degree or straight line. Suppose this is a polygon. Here all interior angle, these are interior angles are less than 180 degree. Okay, and noticeable thing is that here all edges and vertices, these are edge, these are edge, these are edge, and these points are vertices, these are vertices, these are vertices. Here all edges and vertices are outwards when extends. No edges or vertices are inward, all are outwards. Conversely, concave polygon, a polygon where at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. At least one, maybe more than one, but at least one interior angle will be greater than 180 degree or straight angle. We consider this figure. Here these are internal angle or interior angle. Among them, these two angles, this and this, these two angles greater than 180 degree. So for that reason, these two vertices, this and this, are inwards, and adjacent edges, this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge, those edges are inwards, remaining all other vertices and edges are outwards. So noticeable thing is that here few edges and vertices are inwards when extends. When we draw the polygon, few edges and vertices will be inwards and few will be outwards, but here strictly all edges and vertices will be outwards. If we consider those two category, convex polygon and concave polygon simultaneously, we can find that the basic differences are: one is interior angle will be always less than or equal to 180 degree. Here few interior angle or at least one interior angle will be greater than 180 degree. Here all edges and vertices will be outwards. Here few edges and vertices will be inwards. Okay. Now we are going to prepare a gist what we have learned in this video lecture. Gist of this video lecture: we have already learned what is geometry, definition of point, what is line and its category, that means straight line and curve, what is angle, polygon and its types, different kinds of polygons. My next video will be discuss different kinds of angles. That means the next video will discuss and explore about angle. So all are suggested to watch out my video. Okay, thank you all.